Now we're going to do our calibration mode on this washer because it was off balance and it might stay on that error code. So we're going to go ahead and go one back, one forward, one forward, one forward, one back, one forward. If you got to do this again, go ahead and put it in slow motion in your phone and you'll be able to do it. Remember, one back, one forward, one forward, one forward, one back, one forward. All the lights are going to turn on. Now we're going to go 1, 2. Now we're going to turn the cycle into a guess to rinse. And then we're going to press start. Now it's doing a calibration. Now it's going to do her thing. And when it finishes, everything is going to turn off and it should be ready to use. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching.